In this episode of NCAP TV, I'm going to talk to you about mystery browning. It's coming up brown, how to fix it. Stay tuned. So today, NCAPers, I want to talk to you about browning. And oftentimes it's a mystery. Why is the carpet coming up brown or yellowish, yellow-brown, anything in that range? Well, let's face it, it's probably cellulosic browning. Now, back when I started out in the carpet cleaning industry back in the early 80s, they were still talking about jute backing because carpets from the preceding decades, they actually used natural fiber jute for the backing material of carpets. But let's face it, we haven't seen jute backing in years. So the problem of cellulosic browning should be gone? I don't think so. Well, today's carpet is made from polypropylene backing and latex. Everything down there is synthetic, so we're not getting cellulosic browning from the backing, but something in the backing is causing wicking to occur and browning to occur often when the carpet is cleaned. So where's it coming from? Simple. Dirt that gets tracked in from outside. Your average garden variety dirt is exactly that. It's garden variety. It comes from decomposed plant matter. Decomposed plant matter is cellulosic. And therefore, when we get dirt from outdoors impacted into the backing of the carpet, we have the potential for cellulosic browning. So when we get that wet, when we get that dirt wet, and during the drying process, wicking occurs, it's very possible to see some browning occurring. I just spoke with a customer today. He was kind of going nuts. It was an older carpet. It's been installed for some time, a lighter color, and some sections of it were coming up a little on the brown yellowish side, and he was trying to figure out how to fix it. Well, I'm happy to tell you there is a very simple way to fix cellulosic browning, browning from coffee, browning that gets walked in from ice melt, any browning condition, water stains, all of them, because they're all playing off the same element. Sometimes it's the minerals in the water, sometimes it's the browning from soil, sometimes it's something like coffee, which has tannin, which causes browning. Any of these conditions, organic type browning, cellulosic browning, water stains, all of it can be corrected with NCAP Hydrox. Now here's what to do. If you've got a browning condition or you suspect that you may have one following cleaning, you're going to be a hero if you use NCAP Hydrox, and here's how to do it. Mix your NCAP Hydrox strong. Come in at about 10 ounces per gallon, and if possible, bonnet clean with it. Using a bonnet because you want to keep your moisture down. You don't want to get it too wet. Come in at a strong dilution of NCAP Hydrox. NCAP Hydrox has a pH of like 3.5 in concentration, and also very, very strong amount of hydrogen peroxide. And those two things together, when you're using it at a strong dilution, between the very acidic pH and the hydrogen peroxide, it's going to obliterate browning conditions. In addition, the polymer, the NCAP polymer that's in NCAP Hydrox, because we had to use a different polymer than we use in all of our other products, it's a little bit more white, opaque, and it tends to, especially on light colored carpets, just sort of blend it out and cover any potential weird reflection from the carpet that you might see. So when you're dealing with mystery browning, when you've got browning conditions that are like, where's this coming from, how do I fix it? My go-to solution, and it works, trust me, it works great. Use NCAP Hydrox at a strong dilution and go at it strong with minimal moisture. Lots of agitation, makes extra dry passes. Even throw some fans on there too to try to speed up the drying, and you're going to come out a superhero. You're going to make that problem go away. So yes, we can fix mystery browning. If you are in a situation where you foresee browning is going to occur because maybe the carpet's been neglected, perhaps you look down to the backing of the carpet, you pry the pile apart and you look down and you see that the backing is a dark color, that means the building's been neglected. It's interesting to do that. Look at the backing in a heavy traffic area and then go over to the edge of the carpet and do the same thing. You'll see the backing over there is white, but in these high traffic areas it's a darker color. If you've got that condition, you've got the potential for wicking, and oftentimes it's going to come up brown because, let's face it, soil with water, you're going to see that browning condition, and NCAP Hydrox is a great way to fix the problem. So hopefully that will give you the answer to the mystery. When you're dealing with mystery browning, NCAP Hydrox is a great way to make that problem disappear. Hopefully that will help you in your business. It's one more way we want to help you max your end cap. That's what we're all about here at Excellent Supply. Thanks for watching this episode. Give us a thumbs up if you would. Subscribe. Share your comments below. We appreciate it when you do that too. Until next time, have a great day.